Hey y'all, this is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you stop what you're doing and you press that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that bell for that notification link. So I'm so excited about today's video because this is the month of February, which is the month of love and also Black History Month. Now, if you have been following my channel for quite some time now, as you know, during the month of February, I use my platform to showcase Black-owned businesses. So today I'm really excited to showcase this product that you need to have in your kitchen. So today I have a product called ASAH Oils and Herbs. Now this is a vegan olive oil infused with herbs and homemade seasonings. That is right. This girl by the name of Makia, she actually creates her own herbs from scratch. Like, she goes to the grocery store, she dehydrates her vegetables, she makes sure it's clean, she goes through a whole dehydration process, and I believe the process takes at least 12 hours for her to get her finished product, for it to be packaged and distributed to her customers. So now, I had showed you this first bottle because I had been a customer for some time now. So let me bring it up. This is what the bottle looks like. And this one flavor is R, which means this is the rosemary flavor. As you can see, I only have maybe up to here left in the bottle that I purchased, because this is definitely going to be an olive oil that is going to be standard in my kitchen when I am cooking. Now, the oil that she sent over in beautiful packaging, she sent me the B&T, which is the basil and thyme mixture infused olive oil. Now I want you to take a look of the oils, if you can see all of the goodness that is in this bottle and being infused and filled with love that is going to be incorporated in your desired meal. Also, I do want to showcase the seasonings that she has been working on as well. So if you don't quite want to get the olive oil, she has her new garlic and onion seasoning. So as I mentioned before, she dehydrates her own vegetables and does the whole complete 12-hour process to get the seasoning that you see here. Now I'm going to open it up. Now I want you to take a look of how this product looks. The smell is so inviting. I love the smell of garlic. If you don't, that's fine, but it smells so fresh, so herby. It just, you know, it just does something to me. You already know once you incorporate this seasoning in your meal, you're just going to get that extra that you probably been missing prior. And once again, this is going to be a standard item in my kitchen. Also, she has been working on minced garlic. So this is a combination of garlic, other seasonings, and her oil that she blends together. And this is what it looks like. And this is a new product, a new seasoning to add that she added on her website. So make sure you go ahead and you check it out. Make sure you definitely support. As I said, I've been purchasing from her for quite some time now, and I will continue to try more of her infused oils and other seasonings that she is going to be releasing. Definitely go ahead and support her, because I know a lot of y'all just like me who love to cook, or at least love to eat. So if you love to cook, this is all you need, honey. Add that little extra oomph to it. Now she does have a cute note that says, "Thank you for supporting my small business," because, you know, everybody starts somewhere, and plus, you know, I don't know too many people who are creating a lot of infused oils or seasonings, so that's why I'm really excited about this. And her note says, "ASAH Oils and Herbs, thank you. Please be sure to refrigerate your minced garlic. Enjoy." So cue card I love the packaging. I love the thank you note. You can definitely tell she puts a lot of thought and love into her business. So go ahead, support her, check her out. I will make sure that I link all of her contact information in her social media sites and websites to purchase her products in the description box below. If you go ahead, make sure you follow her and tell her that Monique sent you. So until then, make sure you check out my next video, also supporting other Black-owned businesses as well. Until then, make sure you stay positive and make sure you stay beautiful.